Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we are bringing you some really exclusive insights straight from the Malaysia Drone Chamber of Commerce and Industry, or MDCoCI for short. We're completely unpacking the upcoming 15th edition of Automechanika Kuala Lumpur, which is going down in 2026. Right now, we're seeing traditional automotive sectors literally colliding with air mobility and this rapidly expanding low-altitude economy. The standard rules of logistics, well, they're changing practically overnight, and MDCoCI is here to show us exactly how these two worlds are merging at this huge milestone event. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We're covering 1. Inside AMKL 2026, 2. Mobility and tech highlights, 3. Unmissable fringe events, 4. Event logistics and dates, and 5. Preparing for your visit. Let's get to it. Section 1. Inside AMKL 2026. So we are talking about the milestone 15th edition of Automechanika Kuala Lumpur. It's scheduled for May 14th to the 16th, 2026, and honestly, the sheer scale of this upcoming exhibition is just staggering. The event is expanding across 6 full halls at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre, or KLCC. You know, that kind of massive footprint isn't just about cramming in more booths. It really underscores the explosive growth and the huge capital investments that are just pouring into the automotive and mobility sectors in this region right now. You're literally going to be walking through a landscape of innovation that touches every single corner of the global supply chain. Think of this massive footprint as a giant strategic bridge. It directly connects the thriving, localized Malaysian market with these vast global opportunities. Whether you're an international exhibitor looking to aggressively expand your operations into Southeast Asia, or maybe you're a local business wanting to source next-gen tech from global experts, this is the nexus point. It brings future trends, proprietary technologies, supply and demand all under one single roof. It creates this unparalleled environment that's just perfectly right for forming new joint ventures and figuring out highly profitable business models. Moving right along to Section 2, Mobility and Tech Highlights. Now, you might be wondering, why exactly is a drone chamber headlining a major automotive exhibition? Well, according to MDCoCI leadership, it's because the future of transport is absolutely inextricably linked to air mobility and what they're calling the low-altitude economy. Those traditional silos we're used to, they are gone. The lines between ground-based road logistics and the airspace directly above us have basically vanished. Drone tech is no longer just a cool novelty, it's an integral, foundational pillar of modern automotive, transport, and supply chain solutions. By putting this front and center, the message is crystal clear. If you want to master mobility today, you have to dominate the air just as much as the road. And this brilliantly illustrates what I mean. We aren't just talking about abstract concepts or, 10-year forecasts here. Organizations like KLCC Drone and KTMD, which is the Corporation Technology Drone Malaysia Berhad, they are out there pioneering real-world commercial applications right now within this low-altitude economy. They're creating very tangible solutions that just seamlessly blend into traditional automotive spaces. Think about bypassing ground traffic completely for last-mile parts delivery, or maybe optimizing massive warehouse logistics straight from the sky. These companies are actively redefining advanced transport mobility, taking what honestly used to be science fiction and turning it into standard operating procedure. To really make sense of these rapid, industry-altering shifts, the Automotive Mobility Solutions Conference serves as the intellectual hub of the whole event. This is the place where global experts, policymakers, and leaders from groups like MDCoCI will directly debate the specific regulations, tech standards, and business strategies that are required to make drone integration and air mobility a scalable reality. Seriously, if you want to understand how to actually implement the low-altitude economy into your current operations without slamming into a bunch of regulatory roadblocks, you absolutely have to be in the room for these discussions. Section 3. Unmissable fringe events. But hey, it's not all just boardroom discussions and policy debates, right? AMKL perfectly mixes serious industry training, like the highly sought-after collision repair training workshop, which actually brings in international experts, with vibrant, pulse-pounding car culture. From the massive Autofest at KL Music Party to incredibly detailed showcases of classic and JDM cars, the Malaysia audio competitions, and they even have dedicated esports and gaming sectors. They've really put high-octane entertainment right at the center of the experience, making sure the whole event is a true celebration of the culture that drives this industry forward. All right, Section 4, Event Logistics and Dates. Okay, so the core details are locked in. May 14th through the 16th, 2026 at the KLCC. Now, on Day 1 and Day 3, the exhibition runs standard hours, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
But you really need to pay special attention to day 2. The standard exhibition runs until 6 p.m., sure, but then the venue extends seamlessly right into that AutoFest at KL party I mentioned, running all the way until 9 p.m. You are definitely going to want to block out that entire evening on your calendar, because let's be real, that transition from business to entertainment is exactly where the most valuable, candid networking actually happens.
And finally, Section 5, Preparing for your visit. There are 3 absolutely essential steps you need to take before you go. Step 1, pre-register online. It's completely free and it basically guarantees you can skip the long lines and get right to business. Step 2, if you are an international visitor, it is an absolute requirement to complete the Malaysia Digital Arrival Card, or MDAC, within 3 days of your arrival, and yes, that includes the arrival day itself. Please do not overlook this compliance step. And step 3, actively use the Matchup program. This is a dedicated business matching tool designed to connect you directly with the exact suppliers and partners you need, which is going to maximize your efficiency and your return on investment at the fair. So, what does this all mean? Automechanika Kuala Lumpur 2026 is completely redefining the automotive exhibition as we know it. Driven by insights and leadership from MDCoCI, we're seeing firsthand how traditional logistics are aggressively merging with this new low-altitude economy. The technology is already here, the infrastructure is being built as we speak, and the stage is totally set at the KLCC. So I'll leave you with this. How will you leverage these global air mobility and automotive connections to future-proof your own business? Make sure to pre-register today, start planning those meetings, and thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.